Hello there, my name is Benjamin Zork and I'm the principal of Aspire Academy, and I'm just so excited about our upcoming virtual open house on April 24 from 12:45 to 2:15 p.m. Whether you are joining us from Michigan or somewhere across the North American division, I'm just so thrilled to be inviting you into our virtual campus. So what I want to do is quickly go over what to expect at our open house and how to make the most out of the experience. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to www.aspiresda.com and then click on the big red open house button and register for the open house. Once you guys do that, you'll get a welcome letter on Wednesday the 23rd, and in that welcome letter you'll have all the important links that you need to get a peek into our classrooms. Let me quickly go over the schedule for April 24. At 12:45, everyone will meet together in the general session. What you'll do is click on that general session link and join us for a welcome and an overview of the day. You're going to get the opportunity to meet our faculty and our staff and learn about what makes Aspire Academy so special. Our schedule on the open house page will provide links to each of our virtual classrooms, and they're organized by grade level. At 1 p.m. is when our virtual classrooms open up. You'll simply click on the grade band in which you have students enrolling, and then you'll be taken into that live session with one of our fantastic teachers. And you're able to also pop into as many different classrooms as you want, especially if you have students enrolling in different grade levels. So at 1:45, our classrooms will close to the public, and all of our visitors will return back for a question and answer session with myself and my administrative team. This is going to be your opportunity to ask questions, to share your thoughts, and then also to learn more about what makes Aspire Academy work, and most importantly, how you can plan on having a successful year with us. I'm just so excited about the opportunity to meet you and your children and to share with you why I think Aspire Academy is such a wonderful option to provide Adventist education to your family, no matter where you're located. Even though we're remote, what I hope is that you'll feel the warmth and the connection and the excellence that define our school community. I just can't wait to partner with you and your child's learning journey. Thank you so much for listening into this short video, and we'll see you guys on April 24th. God bless.